son las 5:55 y vamos hacia la pesca. Vamos hacia la pesca. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going, son.
That's good right there. Where'd you stop?
Back up so I can reach them. You're a real short net. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Reel.
Keep
Reel.
reeling.
Gotta keep reeling.
Let's see what you keep.
Up spot. Keep reeling.
Está grande.
Sorry.
Si ya le agarró todos estos. Su décimo pez.
I got his business card. He has a little shack up the keys.
Here's the shack of the keys.
Pez, how you doing? Excited for your fish.
Keep going. Just reel them on up.
Sit down. Catch.
Another tangle. Just not using their thumb.
Will I move or is it doing
Miren, aquí nosotros pescando. Allá está el paracaidismo.
Hey, drop your poles down a little bit.
Hey, there's a big one right there.
Got him. There's one right here. Yeah, leave him in the water. Right now.
We're staying hot here. Staying hot.
Yeah, remember we're catching meat dinner too.
He's on there. Okay, so
Yes?
start walking back a little.
No, that's me.
Keep walking back. Walk back. No, like
You
back.
walk.
Lift up.
Up just a little bit. There you go.
Nice.
Great catch.
Fish.
Beautiful catch.
Come on, Daniel. Give me a week in there. Come on, boy. Use those muscles.
Wait up. Run it down. Alright, keep reeling. Don't stop. Lift up.
Oh yeah.
6.
Woo.
Number 6. Oh.
Watch out.
You want me to get it?
Yep.
Watch out. Some waves right here. Alright.
Watch out, guys.
I'll get it.
It's empty. It's empty.
Visual there. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Yeah. A ver los tres. Ya ya terminamos un mediodía de pescar. Ya vamos hacia la
Nos vamos para el disco.
disco. Miren, por ahí alguien estaba haciendo paracaidismo. Oye, es paracaidista. O parasailing, no sé cómo
Do
se
you have
dice.
a
That's trying to get stick back on your forehead now.
No?
What's that?
Did he have a concussion?
It was more of a, I mean, he hit his head pretty good, but more of a, like hitting this, right?
Why do you usually have like
Yeah, you gotta deal with a big water bed. No, big water bed.
Really? Like that?
Oh, something's
Yeah,
up
kid
there.
through one. You wanna watch him clean the fish? Here, just put your hat on.
Look, they're gonna clean the fish.
Put it on.
Yeah, couple.
Get it. They can start cleaning. I don't have to stop.
It's good.